Hi guys, welcome to our channel Beyond Stocks. So today we're going to talk about a topic which is discussed among a lot of discussion forums and stock market forums. Will Tata Consumer Products buy Big Basket or no? And if no, then which other company is going to buy Big Basket? So let us see some facts, some figures, and some new perspectives from our end. So as I mentioned that we have read a lot that Tata Group is going to buy majority stake, and in different value forums and different stock market groups, we have read there's a lot of rumors that Tata Consumer Products would be buying Big Basket. So, according to what we have read and what research we have done from our end, so as per us, Tata Group subsidiary Tata Digital is going to buy out a Big Basket company as a whole. And as we all know, like Big Basket is an online platform where you can buy grocery and your home daily need products. And Tata Digital is something into digital products, and Tata Consumer Products is into consumer like products, water, and all that. So Tata Consumer Products is not buying Big Basket, but Tata Digital is buying out Big Basket. So the deal between Tata Digital and Big Basket would obviously benefit Tata Consumer Products. So some of the benefits which we have jotted down is increase in reach. So as Tata Consumer Products will have a platform of Big Basket, they will get a wider audience and they can sell their products directly on Big Basket platform. So for example, Amazon sells their own private label brands on their platform. So whenever we search for a product, initial five search results would be of their own private label brands. As in the same case, in Big Basket too, they can provide priority to Tata Consumer Products. Like so, after the deal, so when a user searches for salt, the first priority result can be of Tata Salt because now Big Basket would be a part of Tata Group. So that is how it will be benefited for the Tata Consumer Products as well. For another example would be if you search for pulses. So the initial five results will show of Tata Sampanna because those are Tata products. So this can increase the sales as well. The revenue would increase and profits would increase, and it will also provide them a ease of transaction. They don't whenever they launch a new brand, they can directly sell it on Big Basket and see the response from that brand, and then later on they can connect with other e-commerce platforms.
So as Nidhi has told that Tata Consumer is not going to buy out Big Basket. The transaction will be carried out by another subsidiary of Tata Sons, that is Tata Digital. So now next question that we have is that is Tata Consumer buying, like is Tata Consumer eyeing some other deal? So let's look at this. So Tata Consumer is actually in talk to buy the coffee vending business of CCD. So CCD coffee vending business is very popular. Like you will see their vending machines in a lot of offices, and also if you go to CCD shops, you will see a lot of machines like this. So Tata Consumer is planning to buy CCD coffee vending business for around 1,000 crores. And Tata Consumer is waiting for non-objectional certificate from all the lenders of CCD because CCD has a lot of loans. So only after the lenders give the approval to this deal, then only this deal can be carried out. So let's look at some of the numbers of Coffee Day global vending business. So if you see number of CCD outlets is close to 1,200, and there are around 60,000 like coffee vending machines of CCD, and the market share for CCD coffee vending machines is close to 29%. There are other competitors also are there, like HUL is there, Nestle is there, like they also have their coffee vending machines. But this has a market share of almost 30%. That means it has a great market share. And if you see the revenue from coffee vending business in FY20, it's close to 558 crores. And the EBITDA, if you see, it's 137 crore and EBITDA margin is 25%. So if you see in terms of Tata Consumer, of course, Tata Consumer revenue, if you see, it's close to 10,000 crores. So of course, this will not add much to Tata Consumer, but if Tata Consumer is able to grow this business in the future, let's say if they are able to increase the market share, if they are able to increase the revenue, of course, it will benefit. Now also do remember that Tata Consumer also has like, it also sells tea and coffee. So they can indirectly cross sell their products with this vending machines. So that way they can also benefit.
So, as we saw, both the deals with Tata Consumer and with Tata Digital, both are in pipeline for Tata Group as of now, but it has not been executed yet. So, let us see when that would be executed. But these are some research pointers which we have put forward. So, if there are any other points which we are missing out, do comment below so that it will be helpful and it will be knowledgeable for each one of us here in the platform. And if you like the content, do like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.